coming back.
Oh.
That cat is fearless.
He's like, who the hell's all over my house right now?
Any other cat would run like for cover.
What's your butt?
Oh, she's totally pettable.
Totally ignoring that sign.
Everything going all right?
Yes, sir.
I don't know about the stir part, but
It's going good.
yeah.
How's it going, sir?
Just doing a little. Everybody calls me sir. You guys are awesome. I'm videoing all this stuff just to show the folks.
Cool.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Yeah, right on.
They told us to keep the door closed because of the cat, right?
Whatever you want. Oh, she can come and go. She's got a door here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm telling you, that night I found over there at the job we're working at. That thing was basically brand new, but it was just all rusty.
Can we get him? Oh,
He's checking out the that's it. That's
It's a pretty mean looking hog you got there.
Yeah, my neighbor actually gave that to me, but I just put a gun there and I pretend I shot it, you know.
That looks cool. Get a full lead.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. 10-year-old asbestos, nasty tubing. This tubing was all way too small. You can see the size of that big puppy. So all new tubing. And the old hole. I put a big plant there. Who knows what? All the good equipment and the new box
Is.
and the gentleman who did it.
There it is.
So it's got the nice pad on the bottom, so earthquake proof, whatever, bulletproof, and they're just on top of it. So that's the end of that story. Take care.